world just above the waves. Reach into the sky, just take me away. I'm ready to. I can see a world just above the waves. Reach into the sky, just take me away. I'm ready to.
Coolio. Hello. 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 Welcome. Yeah. Ads. Real ads for real. We get some ads. Amazing ads. I haven't even earned a single money on Twitch, so I feel like it's kind of pointless. Let's see what I can do with this amazing editor. My game crash. Oh gosh. It had a fart. That's not good. I don't know. Hello, welcome. Holy particle part. The particles are eating my memory. No. Anyway, hello, welcome. I do want to try out how to make a level in this game. And then I see what I can add onto the game because I still need some more features. At the moment, I'm just building a simple level. See if it's good enough. I'm not experienced yet because there's still a lot of things I want to add, but you know, it still needs more work. You got a copy and paste thing. You got this amazing thingamajig. Could make this possible. Yeah, it's possible. Could make that go upwards. Hey, leaving the work soon. Okay. Just you see that I can just do like a simple, what we call this, moving things. I can also make this also moving things too. Holy selection. Is this link or something? Oh my gosh. Holy quality. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. What the hell is that selection? I got. Oh my god, what the hell? What? What is that zone? What? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Whatever. Gonna be a busy day. Yeah. I had a busy day today. Another bug somewhere. My just remembering it.
You can see a world just above
I mean, if you're playing on the game, right? There is a feedback thing. You can just submit it. You get the
waves. Reach into the sky, just take me away. I'm ready to go. Come get me, cause I can't stay here. I won't stay here.
Cool. Your mic is really quiet. Oh yeah. I moved my microphone. That's why. I had to move my microphone. I had to probably increase the gain. There. Hopefully that's loud enough. Because I did have to move my microphones at some point just to be closer, but I don't know. Yeah, at the moment I'm trying to figure out what I can add onto here because I kinda don't have any good idea. I just want to see what is the capability of this Yum game. Because here's the thing. I am not the one who's gonna be making the main levels. That's Science job. He's the one who's gonna make the main levels. I'm just the one who's trying to get the editor nice and tidy or something. That's my focus on the game. But there is a lot of things that could need some more work. But at least the editor works perfectly. And then I can have a block in here. Honestly, the fact that the editor feels, good, I guess. I remember finding a crash and submitting it in a form, but I don't know. Oh, rip. The crash might be helpful because I generally don't know all the crashes happen. I did try to fix all the crashes. Hopefully. Because some certain objects straight up disappear after being moved triggers for some reason. Yeah, the thing is that the move trigger is not perfect. I mean, I fixed some of them, I think. I don't think I solved all of them yet. There is still some part that needs more work. Especially the functions that, the one that makes the object work, like, this thing. Something, because it had to, a way to, store all these levels somewhere. And then, I have an idea for a level, but I kind of suck at thinking what a good level idea. At the moment, I'm just trying to build a level, see if there's any crashes or anything that I need to add or fix or something like that. That's my idea for the level. I mean, it looks nice, I guess.
I can see a world just above the waves. Reach into the sky, just take me away. I'm ready to go. Come get.
Great job, me. That was amazing level making. That's an amazing level making right here. You can also add spikes too, if you're feeling evil. Totally normal, true. So the jetpack hitbox, the square hitbox, and the actual hit. I mean, there are. Look, you can. I mean, you can technically see there are just a circle hitbox. The robot one is just a circle.
I'm ready to go. Come get me, 'cause I can't stay here. I won't stay here.
Oops. I'm gonna see if I can make a static here. Because you can also do a teleport as well after a certain amount of time. This one part 2. And then there's gonna be ID number second part. There's also a second part as well. 6. I made a circle hitbox by scaling the time warp trigger, which is the one object that contains a circle. The hell? Who? So Cyan is the one who made the hitboxes, okay? What the hell you mean a circle hitbox? Okay, that's weird. Wait, what do you mean by the time warp being a trick? Here, let me check that. Where is it? Entity. Oh, the building block function. Is it here? Okay, one. There's a function. Okay, function. Oh, scaling a time warp trigger, which is the only. Would you able to decrease the volume of the game in OBS because it's super loud? Okay. I mean, I can just lower the volume in this game instead. Yeah, it's quite loud compared to my microphone. Okay, let me lower the volume. There you go. That should be fine as is. There you go. That way, you guys can hear me a little bit better. But yeah, I tried it. Okay, you can tell me what suggestions should add on the game. I just want to see, Oh gosh, the hitbox is so droning so bad. Oh, that's fine. That's honestly fine. I fixed a bunch of issues in your backend code in GTX yesterday. Nice. I still had to. I was spending so much trying to get the server up and running, but I got irritated from the process, so I had to take. I still had lots of things to work on it. I might have to wait. Okay, because the thing is, I did have all this. The server is already set up and ready. I just had to migrate everything to the new server, but I kind of messed up the process. So, um, yeah, it's kind of messy. So you can create gaps that are humanly possible because they're exactly the hitbox where you land the platform in order to go through them. Okay. That makes sense. I mean, you can hitbox abuse in this game. We're not gonna like, oh, don't do that, don't do that. I don't really care. Just hitbox abuse everywhere. He didn't even make a pool database connection. It's like you're asking for very really true. I didn't do that. Totally should have done that. Didn't think of it when I was making it. And I can just make this exit static. Make this a touch. If you're fast, you could actually easily get to the good part of the level. There you go. What's up? What's up, Mayota? What's this? What is the mod achievement? I don't know. That's just a Twitch thing. It didn't go smoothly. I should probably add a smooth on this thing. Smoothing 8. I guess I'm kind of lagging. Oof. That's decent enough. You can also hide the object as well, so it's not disappearing, but it will. Have fun. Alright, see ya. That's good, Cyan. Hello. Welcome. I'm trying to build a level, but I kind of suck at building levels at the moment. Is there a DC where I can show some stuff and ideas? Yes. Cyan, can you send him the invite? Because I did tell Cyan to make a Discord server for the game, and I did. It is a good idea. I told him. So yeah, it is a server for it. You could just ask him for the Discord server link or something. Let's see this amazing level I'm making. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll show you. I'll show you the level first. I'm so sad. I'm seasick right now, bruh. Ah. So can you just send him? Can you send JX the Discord server link? At the moment, I'm trying to get this. Or make a Discord server will be either a mistake or a success. Can be both. I actually that's gonna be like either a mistake or not, but who knows? Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. I'm not the one who's hosting the server. That's Cyan's problem now. All the Discord issue, that's gonna be Cyan to deal with, not me. I'm not the one. To who? Just send it on the chat. He wants to join the Discord server. Yeah, he's the one who said it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to deal with them. Yeah. You're the one dealing it with him, not me. Oh yeah, by the way, you can add colors on the blocks as well. You can set color ID and then you can just create your own color ID. Yeah. we're gonna add color, which is nice. I don't know why, but the stream was very laggy, stream laggy to me on a Discord server. Oh yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Oh well. There. There you go. I didn't know. No. The Discord bot is on the newer version of the game, which is my build. Not on the current not on the public build yet. So but in the next build there will be a Discord button. Yeah, fancy. Oh, Discord button. Oh. But yes, I'm trying to figure out what features to add. Because at the moment we got some blocks, some spikes, some slope. You got the thing. Yes, loud music. I'm just gonna lower the volume on the game. There you go. There you go. It's low volume now. But yeah, you can also add functions. That's scripting too, but I haven't fully set that one up, so it's just a. Yeah, there is also a. You can also do a. Yeah, there is a. I don't know why this thing exists, but it does. Oh well. It, in fact, nearly burnt down the dawn by leaving the boiler, bruh. It's gonna be my own language, programming language, like 61. It's gonna be its own programming language. The thing is, I haven't made a plan for what it should function as. But if you have an idea of what you should do, then let me know. I don't mind. My idea is right. So each of these functions will have its own ID. So this is 0. This is 1, 2, all the way to 40. Or if there's more, there's more. And then you can add attributes to each of the functions. So let's say let's make an example script. This thing doesn't store anything. So like if I do variable move 1 equals new function 1, that's gonna be the function ID, and then followed by the attribute, which gonna be like time underscore function 1, and you can do move 1, then do like time. Yeah, time is equal to whatever you said, like 2.5 or something. Put semicolon if you would like, if you're being fancy, and then you can do like move x or something equals I don't know 400, and then when the script function executes, you can there's also a way to check syntax error as well. You can do that as well. You can do like I don't know you can do move that easing underscore type equal like and it's gonna be like a list of irums. You can do like linear that is in out, something like that. You can do that if you want to do, and then it will like this will create a new function like in within the script function. And also in the same function, you can also add like a new variable, like scale 1 equals new function. I don't know what the ID is, but probably have a list of it. Call it StarScript. It's such a big name. So someone about to recreate a game through the function. I know, right? You could just make a game within a game, and then after that, there's gonna be some RCE execution function that they're probably gonna hack your entire device or something, which I'm trying to avoid. I'm trying to figure out how to avoid that. You can also ask the Clankers to build you a Project StarSky script. Imagine asking Clanker to build you a level with the script. Oh my god, that's gonna be so dumb. But yeah, that's the idea of what I'm thinking. I haven't figured out how to do it properly, so for now this is just it doesn't work, so it just deletes itself. This thing doesn't work because I still have no pop-up for it created. This one is as simple as just change the background. Nothing special about that one. Oh, it's barely set up. Blame Cyan. He's the one setting up, not me. But yeah, that's the script idea I have. It's not done, so don't expect too much from it. So yeah, that's the process of the game so far. It's not done, so. Bruh, what is that? That's so dumb. It didn't even make it to the top. Amazing. Amazing. Just amazing. Oh well, I'm gonna add a block in here just as a support. You can do like a negative, not layer. This one you can do -1. There you go. You can have that. I'll make this as a passable too. Bar player get player. Yeah, you could. That's gonna be a set and get and set methods. So you can get the current player as well, and then modify it if you wanted to. Player speed equals 200. It's gonna be. I'm trying to make it similar to Lua, but I don't know exactly how Lua works. So. Okay, that's the thing. And also the fun thing about this this game is that on the editor you can also play back your entire gameplay. With that. Oh. Oh my god, I probably had to fix that. It's passing out. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it is. You can also move. You can also have a macro system in here. So the cool thing about the macro system, right? I got it set up only for if you're a creator, you can play back on it. I'm thinking that me and Sai can also use it to preview your guys' levels in case you guys, so we can tell if it's legitimate or not. But I don't know. That's how I'm thinking about that in the future. But that's how it works. This thing doesn't have any functionality because I don't know what to add to this. You can also stop the macro. You can also play it back. Pixel perfect jetpack and send it to the server. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Let me freaking fix that stupid editor thing. I need the debug feature to be longer. 100,000 shinies, real. I couldn't bother setting up the shiny looker system again. Okay. Oh yeah, cool thing about this game is that I have already implemented a shader system. It's not the best shader system, but it is a functioning shader system. There is chroma. There is shader colors. This changes the screen of the color. Shaders. 5 FPS. Oh my, oh. Amazing shader system, by the way. Amazing shader system. $250 is. I'm gonna start doing calls to communicate delay. So annoying, but yeah. All right. Oh my god. Start flashing. Amazing. My amazing huge. Oh, why is it? Oh, never mind. Probably had to fix that. The sprite name. You can also set the layers as well. So if you put 5, you'll play on Z layer order 5 or something. Oh gosh, it is. Yeah, it is epileptic. Anyway, I'll delete that. We also have summon. This is the best feature. You can summon enemies, cause why not? You can also summon enemies too. No, I forgot to set it up. That's fun. That's fun. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, it's fine. That is amazing. Good job. Good job. Good job, me. Good job. Good job, me. Which one is it? Function 19. I mean, probably changed. Where is it at? Enemy selection. There you go. And it doesn't work. Brother. That's not good. Anyway, it should meant to create a list of enemies, but I think I messed up with the getting the enemies. So I'm gonna have to figure out where to get those. Okay. Where I put the enemies entity? Okay. It's under the enemies entity. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works. Yay! Okay, now I can show you how it works. So you can set a freaking target group. You can also make a multi trigger if you like to kill yourself. But okay, let's see. Oh no, there's a prick. And it's also very smart too. Look, it even knows where you meant to go. So you can outsmart it. Oh damn, it's smart. It knows where you go. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it's pretty smart. Oh, okay. So it does work. I just kind of messed up with the I don't know where I put this number 7 at. Anyway, number 7, save. Let's see. Smart little guy, yeah. I'll show you why it works. I'll show you how it works. So Mm-hmm. Basically, when you hit this function, right, the enemies has its own radius right there. So basically, when you go to it, it'll create its own path and follows it. Thanks, Platinum, for the sub. Thank you. And yeah, so basically, it follows you based on the known location. It's pretty big brain. I go, okay. Hello. Welcome to the stream. It also has a wandering mode as well. This is their wandering mode. They're wandering. I mean, if you don't have a high RAM usage and if you don't have any big RAM, then you're probably gonna lag a lot. Bro. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire salmon thing. What next should I show? You can also edit songs, stop the function. Most of this you probably already know. This is the toggle. This is self-explanatory. This is the opacity set, so you can set the opacity value. Oh yeah, there's also a boost item. But for some reason, it doesn't make a sprite for it. Mm-hmm. What have you done? What have you done? What have you done with it? Okay, it's broken. It's completely broken. I'm gonna have to fix that later. You can also no hitbox. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There'll be more features coming. I just can't think of any at the moment. Beside, like, you know, you can also add text. Hello. You can also stretch it. Oh, look at that. You can stretch the text. You can make it wide. Hello. I'll add more fonts later, but I just like this one font. Hello. There's also a checkpoint system. You can set your own checkpoint, as well as a particle system where you can create your own amazing particles. So this one basically, like, this is a it goes based on the relative position of the particle. This one just follows the position of the particle. So you can just do that. You can also make it as a spear for 100. Do that. The circle's not accurate because I forgot to put the thing in real scale, but oh well. You can also set the scale of the particle. I think it's under the oh, can't find it. Yeah, there you go, found it. 10. There you go. And then I can do like 1. So this sets the scale between 10 to 1. So you can have a randomized scale. Look at that. Ooh, particle system. Ooh. You can also scale the particle system. Ooh. Bro, my game keep crashing. I mean, there's a to-do list of ideas. Yeah, but most of them requires you to make the sprites. So, like, you need to make the UI, the sprites, the script to make it function, you know, all those kind of things. And that's your job. I'm just trying to optimize the editor as much as I can. And still, you know, I don't know. The thing is that when you make the game, right, you need a lot of feedback just to make things run smoothly. Especially on mobile view, there's gonna be a little bit more work to get it playing nicely on mobile. Hopefully the particle system is not gonna crash the game, but I can't make any promises. I do not like to make a game that crashes like 24/7. Okay, I do like to make a game that actually works. Particle system. Should we consider making a crash log or something? I don't know how to make it though, so I have to search it up how to do it. So you can set up a weird particle system. You can select your own particles as well. You can have this. You can also set the color range as well. I probably have to fix that thing. I kind of don't like the particle system for that. The way the particle system works is that what is it? Particle preview. Let's see. Because the way I did is that wait. You can also set hue value. Okay, I see now. Okay, the color I'm probably gonna change that into a hue system. That might be because I'm trying to recreate human touch into sky, bro. Imagine. I mean, you could try. I mean, if it works, it works. It would be cool though. I mean, true. You could make it. You could recreate it if you try. But yeah, I think I can actually easily modify the particle system a little bit better. Because again, right? You can literally just change the color of the particle through the color ID system. But yeah, you can. I might refactor this color system into being just a color selector thing, so you can select like what colors to pick. Pretty simple stuff. This is not a right way to do it. I'm gonna refactor that. Yeah. Particle system. It's a feature, bro. If bro did make it, I know, right? Okay, let's play around with the shaders, okay? Because I do have a lot of things to talk about the shaders. Chroma shaders. This is a pretty fancy one. You can set the intensity to whatever. You can make it multi-touch. You can also make it pose as well. So when you trigger this, it makes the screen pose. Oh. I mean, it's not perfect. I'll try to fix that, but... Oh wait, did I delete the freaking... Oh no. I deleted the thing. Number 2. No hitbox. This one does a particle, a shader system. It makes the shader pulses in the beat. Cool. Next one I will show you is the what is it? Bloom. I think this one's not as nice looking, but I mean, it is what it is. Oh, it didn't work. I trying to bump it up to 100. Boom. So when you trigger this, oh. Wait, did I actually make everything in this? based on the blur. Because if I did that, I was just gonna be dumb. I probably have to fix that up. This is totally playable. This is totally playable right here. Hello, Dark Lord. Hello. Yes. It is me. It's a pretty nice shaders, but pretty nice shaders. Oh wait, is this the bloom? Yeah, this is the bloom one. Okay, how you doing? I'm doing alright, thanks. I'm pretty sure the bloom was once glowing when you first made it. It is. I think I messed up with the script for that. What's that? Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, I see why. I might have messed up with the with this. Okay, I have to refactor this code to see, because I couldn't. I had to search it up. What is the bloom thing? Got so much channel points. Real, for real. Yeah, back when I was doing level requests, you know what? Once this game is public, I will do a level request and I will rate everyone's levels. I don't know. I'm just thinking too ahead. Anyway, this one is not perfect because I haven't fully implemented this perfectly. Because I kind of want this to be perfect as I can, but it is not pretty yet. So it's not strong enough. Okay, I'm gonna have to refactor most of the shaders. That's gonna be the next thing I have to do. Blur. This one's broken. This one works perfectly. This one's broken. I have to fix that one too. In short, what this does is that it blurs the game. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Bro, this the StarSky racing tab is gonna be hell. Oh, imagine. Hey, Cyan, would you like to go to the recent tab? You want to go to the recent tab? I would like to go to the recent tab. That'll be funny. Glitch is gonna be you just hit this glitch effect. Maybe I should maybe make StarSky's content early on. I mean, you could. It's not perfect yet though. I hate the glitch effect. I don't know. Let me search it up. Ooh, I found a code. Hippity hoppity hop. This code is my property now. Hippity hoppity hop. This code is my property now. I'm gonna search. I'm gonna take this glitch. Okay, I found a perfect shader. At first, I had to find the glitch shader. Okay. Why you torturing me this? Well, now I want to make the longest. I mean, here's the thing. We do not have an end function or condition yet. So technically, you can't even beat the game yet. To be fair, there's always a random guy on Reddit or some obscure site that have your back when you need some code. It's a platformer game you could make once, spawn a non-existent end trigger, naked head in a year. I know, right? You could just do that if you wanted to. I found a code. Look, guys, I'm gonna apply this code right here. It's called a glitch effect. This is the one I'm looking for. Look at that, nice. I'm gonna steal that code just for a moment. I'm gonna take the code. Let's see there's let's see the license first before I use it. Summarize what MSD. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's see how this works. Let's see how this script works. Hey, it's not stealing if it's a well-known script, okay? Anyway, let's see how it works. Oh, it passed him. What if I just do one for now? Oh. Oh. Ooh. Glitchy. Ooh, glitchy. Okay. Okay. Let me see what what number is this? I forgot. Number 36. Number 36. Number 36. What's 36? I'm still thinking of sprite to the end screen, so that's why it's not there yet. It's hard to think of a sprite to say, well, getting copyrighted. Bro's concerned about copyright. Ugh. Bro's concerned about copyright. Get me out of here. Ay. Let me fix this stupid thing. Shut up. Okay. Anyway, okay. I need to add the new shader values. Just give me a moment. Shake rate value. Shake block size value. Block size. This is 35.5. This is whatever this is 0.03. This is going to be the color separation rate. Separation rate value. There you go. That's the value for it. This is 36. Yeah, 36. Cool. I mean, what is it going to translate it to Chinese? Lol. I don't know. Why is the hitbox outline scale is the object? Because right, I didn't think about it when you scale the object. It's basically just draws over it and then that's it. It just draws over it. Let's see my amazing script. Outline. Yeah, I just draw the outline. That's it. That's why it looks so weird. Imagine. Let me just refactor the code a second. Okay, so I do have a script for the shader, so I'm gonna have to implement this thing to work with the shader system itself. So gonna have to save this. So we save color separation. It's gonna be so absurd with the shader values. I just got it. I'm gonna make a script real quick. Okay. Okay. Make it real quick. Okay. Okay. Great shaders. Okay, now I think I should just probably search up the rest. Let's see some shaders. By the way, where I got the shaders from is from here. I go to Dude Shaders and find some shaders. That's why I just go to shaders and find shaders. Let's see. You can get some cartoon shaders. You get some rotate pixel art shaders. You have some Aura. That's for 3D. I'm not doing anything 3D. Wow, this is creepy. How does this thing work? Okay, that's a lot of math. I can't read. I don't want to read all of this. This is crazy scripting right here. Let's see how it actually works. That's a lot of script. I ain't gonna read that. You can add a buckshot. I don't think I can do that one. It would be easier if it's a 3D. Meatballs. Colors replacer. That's actually simple. That's actually pretty simple to implement. This one is the Tyler. I don't think I need that one. Let's find a perfect shader I'm looking for, just to fix up the code a bit. You can have a fake 3D shader. That's a cool one. That's a cool looking one. Okay, let's see. Let's see this amazing shader, shall we? So we have a shader that has so much functionality. Let's see if you want the. Actually, I want to see what it looks like when you trigger it. You didn't give me an inner corner object, so I'm making my own. Ah, yeah, you didn't make an inner object. Nah, that's disappointed. Check the bump. I'm a bump. I'm a bump, bump, bump. Just wait a moment. I need to update the execute function for a second. Hope you didn't mess up anything yet, because I still have to fix the script. I need to get the shaders. I need to get the shaders. Oh, wait, what did you make? What kind of sprite did you make? I'm actually curious. I want to see what it is. Let's wait a moment. Okay. Trying to mess up, so I removed the sprite node. Bruh. Hey, okay, this is is this the glitch shader that you're looking for? Look at that, it's actually nice now. This is a really nice glitch shader. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Okay, I can bump this. Shader is. Okay, let's see what the bump. Oh wait, do you mean in Discord or something? Games feature. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, nice. Oof. Okay, we finally got a freaking glitch shader. Actually, look at that. It actually shakes a little bit. Okay, it actually shakes a little bit. Alright, let's see what else to fix. I mean, I'll search up some bloom too. I'm gonna be like, hippity hoppity hoppy duffy 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 duff. Yes, God is my property now. Anyway, I'm gonna improve the bloom shaders for this. I'm gonna improve it a bit. Just give me a moment. I still have to fix the code just to make it work. Okay. For this bloom, I do need to add a new list or something. What's it called again? Bloom. Okay. So I need to. Let me just copy and paste the stupid code, man. Okay. This is number 32. 32. Okay. Intensity. Is it intensity? It's radius. Bloom radius value. Yep. That's gonna be a threshold value. And then there's another one called intensity value. that's going to be a threshold. That's the one. And I have another one. It's called the intensity. Blue intensity. There you go. I'm gonna improve the test intensity bloom as well as that. I just completely forgot to copy that. Execute function option. Put me sprite. Put my sprite change, by the way. Okay. I need to. Okay, cool. So anyway, I'm gonna sleep. Let me know the sprites I need to prioritize. Okay. Okay. Do you have a unified sprite for a game for a sprite changer? I mean, like, unless if you want it into a function, like when you actually. Let me look at the sprite. Okay, so you have the 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 robot and the jetpack. I think that would be a cool idea if you make it animated when you trigger it. So when you trigger it, it makes it an animation when you change it. That's actually a good idea. I might consider that. Okay. I think this is fine for now. You could just add this into the sprite sheets if you wanted to. Maybe just fix the code a little bit. Let me fix this sprite code a little quick. Oh yeah, actually, yeah, animated sprite for the game mode switch is actually kind of cool. Yes, you should make it. Don't think you should make it. I'm trying to add like the bloom. I'm trying to fix it because it's kind of jank at the moment. Okay. There's more values on the shader, but it's not fully hooked in yet. So I still have to fix that up. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. I probably have to reboot the thing again. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see if the bloom functionality works. Let's see. Make this a touch trigger. That is. Bloom. Didn't work. Hello, Dragon X. Hello. Welcome. Hello, hello. How are you been, guys? So today I think I'm just trying to figure out what kind of ideas you guys want to make. I'm trying to fix the shaders for the game at the moment. So show of us. Oh yeah, cool thing. Oh, wait. Cool thing about my the game, right? So basically, there is a way to export your level. So if you click export and then you can send us the file in the Discord, then I can download it and import it, and then I can just play around with your level. So if you want to send me some levels you made in this game, then you can just export it. I don't have a proper way to like send the level yet because that's not implemented yet. So it needs more work. But I do want to improve the shader system first, so. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, you don't have a corner piece in the game? Nah, that's crazy. I thought we do have a corner piece. You don't have a corner piece. Corner piece. Yeah, show me what the corner piece is. Bruh. Wait. Did you say you made the corner piece by hand? Wait, I mean, that's kind of smart. Honestly, that's kind of smart. You made that corner piece. That's actually really cool. I thought you had to make your own? Unless Cyan forgot to make the script, then by all means, then blame on him. But I swear, we do have a corner piece right here. Let's just send it to you. This exists. This exists. Wait, what? This exists, right? I sent it to you. This exists. Look, it's a freaking corner piece. You just have to swipe. So when you like moving, like you see, there's a corner piece right here. Yeah. Unless you have to make your own thing again. Oh yeah, right, yeah. This thing. Unless it's just not the right thing, then you can just blame on Cyan, not me. I ain't the one who made the sprite. Oh, I don't. What's this? Oh yeah, this is the serious one. I need one without the slightly different color changing at the corner. Yeah, Cyan, fix that. Will you add leaderboard? Absolutely, will add leaderboard. I want Cyan to make the UI for it. Okay, I will definitely make a leaderboard. The thing is that since I want this game to be, online as well, I do need to have a server for it. I do need like a freaking level uploading system. I do need a lot of those kind of things. So at the moment, it's just there is no way to win the game. I just need to finish the core feature of the game. That's my focus. Anyway, yeah, I forgot to fix the blue system. Okay, let me fix the blob system. You can see the one I made. It doesn't change the color. Oh yeah, it does. It doesn't. It has the pure one. Like it's like this, but without the slight change thing. So it's like, what do you call this? Like pure black or something. Like, let me try to recreate it. It's like this. Okay, I do have a freaking snap degree enabled. So it's like this. It's like this. Like this. Like so. Like that. Oh wait, this one has a slight color. Ay, Cyan. You didn't even properly do it. Nah. You didn't do the sprite correctly. That's crazy. Anyway. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I mean, as Cyan had a dedicated sprite for that. It would be a cool idea to have it. I do want to improve the shaders for it. Skill issue on my end. The blue doesn't work sometimes. Put it 5. Okay, I can see you're very excited for the game. That's so great. I do want to finish it though, but it'll take some time to finish it. Okay, it's not gonna be done in like 2-3 months. I still had to figure out, like, what's the core feature needed to work on. I can show you. I can show you the entire process I need to work on. Okay. Oh. Oops. Okay, so custom song support. I have a function custom music, which you heard already. In here you can change the custom music as whatever you want. Oops. Wait a second. Okay. You can add your own custom music. You can also use the inbuilt song, but that's boring. What else? Metadata, that's gonna be sorted. ID sorting, that's gonna be hard to figure out. File storage, I'll think about that later on. UI function UI, yeah. Cosmetic individual color, that's not fully set up yet. For the editor, I mean that kind of exists, but I'm gonna remove that music. Player sound effects. Event function, that's a pretty good idea. I probably had to refactor all of the shaders thing. Micro system, that's already done. Feature tab, he's gonna deal with that. End screen, he's gonna deal with that. Texture park system, yeah, good luck with that. Customizable dialogue, that's actually a good idea. Intro text, I could do that. I'd probably have to figure out. Is there no free rotate? Is there no free rotate? I don't know. What does this button do? Free rotate. There is free rotate. Look. There is a free rotate. I implemented. I added this like ages ago. But yeah, there is a free rotate. How am I so stupid? This thing's so free. I mean, if you say you're stupid, it's not your fault. It's our fault. Cause like you're the person who's playing our game, and we had to figure out how you, as a player, interacts with the game. And if you're confused with the UI, then that's our problem because we had to fix that problem. I don't know. It's like it's hard to describe it, but like when people complain about they can't see particularly part of the UI, then people get mad and frustrated, something like that. I just did not see that. Well, it's there, so yeah, there is a free rotate. You can enjoy whatever you want with this. You can also undo the rotation too. Wow. Add microtransaction. Ask Cyan to add that. But in short, no, there will be no microtransaction. There will be no microtransaction. Don't worry. I won't. I won't make you charge real money for additional stuff. You just play the game and then that's it. You just play the game. Yeah, that's it. It's still a lot of things to add, like online features. I definitely need to add online features. Let's see, what should I add? Feature tab. Leaderboard system. Account system. Global individual levels. Account system. What else? Secretly copy all GD code, just change the texture. Ah, yes, I wish I could do that. Each of being that GD codes are let's say they're not open to everyone. You can't like just yoink the code and then like call it a day. You have to reverse engineer the code, and then you have to guess if that code's even accurate enough to the actual game. And you have to refactor the code from C++ to GD script, and it breaks. No, I mean I could just mimic it. That's the best we can do, but we can't just yoink the whole code. It doesn't work like that. Add a microtransaction, basically put the editor behind $1,000 paywall. Then at that point, no one can even play the game anymore. The only microtransaction you can lock behind the editor is paying us $2 to $5. Wait, I have an idea for a game mode switcher. What kind of idea is that? Let me think of a freaking level upload system. Load save backup data. What else should I add? I will do this in a later date. I'm trying to think of a list of geo mods that I could just implement. And I'm trying to think of a proper geo mod or something. Couldn't think of anything. Let me draw a mock-up quickly. Yeah, and just send it to the server so I can see it when he wakes up. Okay, I'm back. So I'm thinking we could have a leaderboard system. What else do he need to work on? What's this? Leaderboard. Oh yeah, achievements. Yes. Yeah, achievement system. And you need like a pop-up system. A pop-up for achievements. List of achievements. Make up your mind. Make up whatever. Yeah, it's a bit too loud. I can't sleep. Well, Cyan, if you can't sleep, make some sprites for us, please. I mean, me. Make sprites for me, please. I'm on my phone. Cyan, make a sprite. Make a sprite, please. Make a sprite. I beg of you. Just wait a moment. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, must me have close to mine. Oh no, that sucks. Boo hoo, boo hoo. That sucks. Bro has a quiz. Nah, that's crazy. Oh yeah, fun fact. You can also add. You can add your own custom music as well into the level into the main menu. Be nice. That's a pretty cool feature. Yeah. What else do I add? Okay, so for this, for all of this stuff, I do need Cyan to make some sprites for it. No, I'll work on it tomorrow afternoon. Okay. Yeah. I mean, if you have some ideas, you can join the Discord server and then, you know, yap about whatever. Who knows? I might release this new update. Who knows? But we'll see. I still have to bug fix some of the features, especially the shaders. Shaders. Vigilante, I need to fix that. Glitch, that's perfect. That's fine. This is. What else? That's the online features. I'll implement it later. At least it's still I still have to change have the 0.3 change on 0.5. Imagine. I mean, if you want to update it, go for it. You can update it if you want. The dialogue system, I want to add that. This one I want to add. It would be cool. Oh yeah, so I haven't made a lot of progress in that game mode. Oh yeah, this level, right? This is a test level I've made for fun. I was trying to test the shaders and stuff. It's pretty crappy level. This thing survived like 3 iterations of the editor system. It's still alive to this day. You know, the freaking, you know. Yeah. Up. You can also spin around. You can also that. You can also You can also link it. You can free move it. Yeah. Hello, Taros. Hello. Welcome. You can snap the grid too. Snap. Wait, is this macro system still from the last level? That's crazy. Anyway. We okay, that's pretty much it. Let's play that. This is the first level that someone made beside me in Attic. Yeah, I just added more details on it. That's a fun. Hey, sorry. Look at the server. Look at the mock-up design. That's actually pretty cool. But yes. I might actually make a. Actually, I might assign to make a sprite for the stupid thingamajig. Let's see. You can have this as well. What's the sprite for this? Hold on, let me check. I could release this special level if I wanted to. It literally just popped up in my head when I saw game mode switches right. It's on the list. It's like a machine. It kinda is like a machine. Factory made. It's like a factory. Like when you go through it, yeah, you change your player mode. Yes, we have a factory made sprite. Oh, it's been a long day for me. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And I'm pretty tired at the moment because I've been out for most of the day. I'll stream again. I think either tomorrow or Friday. It depends. I'll have things to show. So, if I have something to show, I'll show it again on next stream. Okay? Because I kind of ran out of ideas what to add. Because the thing is, like, I would add more features. It's just that Cyan is the one who has to make the sprites and all the UI stuff. I just want to. All I want to do is just hook things up. Okay. So, because I did have to fix up the entire UI, like the pop-up system. It's just the pop-up system. I had to refactor everything. This one I had to refactor the button system as well as the character switcher. This one I could add like a effect when you switch into different player. That would be cool. Or like a I don't know. I think of an idea for that. What happened to the game was change feature? I mean, you could. I mean, it's still a good idea if you wanted to. Temporarily, I made a solution to do the game mode switcher through an option. This is just a temporary solution. You can just change to this. This is just a more direct solution if you want to like change between like jetpack if you wanted to. It's not perfect. It's just a solution. And the game freaking crashed. What did it crash on? Oh no, it crashed. Update advanced mover follower. Trying to sign an invalid previously freed instant. Ah no! I know the bug! It crashed the game. If the player is going right to left, then Crave can flip horizontally. If the icon doesn't flip the rest of the sprite flip. Maybe. You could. I mean, if someone wants to go both ways, then you could go like between like left. You can go back in and back out. And you change back to your previous game mode if you wanted to do that. What if I turn this into a cannon? You know what? Go for it. Sorry, go for it. Oh, speaking of which, actually, that's a good idea. We could actually add a freaking force/gravity function or area. Force area. Pushes the player because of the direction of the force and the That'd be a cool idea. Okay, that's actually a good idea. Oh, by the way, you guys, oh crap, I just realized. This breaks because it's a pretty dumb. It's a pretty dumb break, but. Okay, I'm just gonna restart this game. Anyway, I'll make a 3D effect. I'll try to make a 3D object. Hmm. This is a scuff. I want to send this. I want to send this one. Would you be able to move the snap to show hitbox out of the settings? So it's super annoying to toggle them. I could. Maybe part of the separate menu. Probably can do that. I'll ask Sign to add that. I could actually add that, yeah. Anyway, I made a cube. I made a 3D object. Yes, you made a 3D object. Made a 3D object. Made a 3D object because it's real. It's a real object. Look at this. It looks weird. I could also make this. Okay. Like a Mona Lisa. Real. It's so real. There you go. Look at that. I'm making a freaking. Looks like a box. It looks like a box. Hey, I forgot to close the top 3 box. I forgot to close the top 3 box. I mean, here's the issue with the setup, right? I kind of forgot to add the skewer for both. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that up. Sure, I'll close it up. Here we go. No snapping, please. I don't want to snap. Yes, three. There you go. And then you can also change the opacity as well by changing the color ID with this. There you go. Perfect. See, it's a see-through box, I guess. You can see through the boxes. Wee. Let's just close it all the way. Okay, cool. See, you can see through the boxes. This 3D vlog is a star YouTube tutorial star low quality version of the Invincible Button with a bright green screen and a comic stand text. Anyway, I want to mimic it. I want to mimic it. Just wait a second. Let me mimic it. Okay, let me try to mimic this. Let me mimic this. Like it to tempo. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. You have a clip. You have to clip this and upload to YouTube for real. Sorry, that's his job. Yeah, sorry, that's your job. That's your job. You have to do this. You have to do this. Sorry, you have to do this. You have to do this. Okay, sorry. I told you this before. You have to do this. You have to do this. Top 5 boxes. Yeah, we should do that. Top 5 boxes. Top 5 boxes. Okay. Wait. I need to clear that thing again. Number 5. Number 5. You get the number 5. You get the number 5. Number 5. You get the boxes. This is number 5. This is number 5. Yeah, I'm gonna show you number 5. Yeah, this is number 5. Number 5. I forgot to put the bottom one. There you go. Get a bottom part of the box. Even have to get the top one as well. Wow. I don't know. Number. There you go. Even close it up too if you wanted to. That's number 1. There you go. That's number 5. I'll put it as a link. Number 5. You can also have a number 4 too. Number 4. You can have a box made of just this. Number 4. Number 4. Actually, okay, actually, what? Oh, if it actually works, maybe. Number 3. Let's see what an option are. We can make a fade. Number 3. We can make a fade box. We can make a fade box. Number 3. Number 3. There you go. Number 3 is the fade box. Stop. I needed the undo button. Free rotate. And finally, number 1, deselect box. No, really? I feel like that's every feature in this game. There you go. You got the amazing fade. Fade box. Number 2. Number 2. Oops. Number 2. We got zoom. Number 2. We got the zoom. We got the zoom. We got the zoom feature. Number 2, we got the zoom feature. No, no one would notice. Nah, really? I would notice it. Number 2, we got the zoom box. We got the zoom box. Zoom box. I'm gonna obviously I need to quit tonight. Okay. And number 1, the final one. It is a freaking oh crap. Number 1 is a freaking text box. It's a number 1. You got a text box. You got a number 1 text. There you go. This is number 1. Number 1. Number 1. There you go. There you go. You got an amazing box system. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and lastly, make a text box number 2 again. Then make that just not a box. Okay. There you go. Number 1 is just no box. No, number 2 is just a number 2 box. You can also do something funny, like you can also make this stack as well. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Look, it stacks. It looks like Jenga. There you go. You can also do this. You can make a pyramid out of this. Look at that. You can actually make a pyramid. I said you can't see it because of how stupid it is. There you go. A pyramid. Actually, let's see which one is actually the best pyramid. You can also have this. Ta-da! There you go. You get a fade. You get a fade box right here. And let's see if this one's actually really good at making a pyramid. Let's see if this one's good at making pyramids. Yeah, this is a true game development system. Am I right? Facebook, this is number 0.7. Yeah, this is now officially number 0.7. There you go. This is officially number 0.7 right here. It's a freaking pyramid. I mean, we can make this even better. Oop. Ah, it's all linked to a stupid single object. Damn. There you go. Perfect. We can also have actually I'm curious. I am curious. What does this look like in gameplay wise? Okay, let's see this amazing design. So you get a function hitbox right here. You get a text box here. That's crazy. Oh wow, this actually has collusion. You really see the object hitbox. This is what it looks like. It's pretty amazing design. There you go. Perfect. See that? Looks nice. There's a fade one. You get number 2. You should say. Oh, should make a source experiment of what I find next. I wish I could do that, but I don't know how to make his. I don't know how to make the what. But you know what? If anyone wants to make it, go for it. If the game crashes, that's on you. I'm just like, you know, I'm just the roughed up of the roughed up. I'm just making the gum. Making that 3D. Making the 3D box. See, it works though. Actually, I'm actually quite impressed how well it worked. I see the fact that it looks ugly as hell. But it works though. I ain't complaining. I mean, okay. Okay. My stupid transformation process is so bad. That's on you. The game doesn't crash too much. The game's not perfect, okay? Even my game crashed too. We're trying to improve the what do you call it, the level editor thing ability. Dude, hi Riley. Fix the categories. Okay. What category? Or not? What this, you mean this thing? I'll blame Cyan for that. Okay, I could fix that. I could add that. Let me add that. You have a particularly design for the categories. I mean, I can fix category. I don't know. If you have a concept design for it, then sure, I'll fix it. Again, this is just a temporary solution. Okay, it's not perfect, but you know, GD remake hurts my brain. True. It's not the best. It's not the most perfect design yet. Okay, the UI needs some work. I agree with that. But once it is good, then it's good. Okay. At least you get a functioning like editor, or you can just do crap in here. It's gay. Okay. So make sure to keep this level in the game file, by the way. Could, yeah. Well, I'm confused. What part you confused? Which part you confused at? I might need to fix on that too. So as a metal editor, this should confuse me. Yeah, I mean, that's debatable. Yeah, sometimes people. I mean, the thing is, I do have experience with GD editors, right? The thing is, the UI design is not made by Miss Science. This is Science UI design. But I think there is some iteration that we could make the UI, you know. Like I'm trying to think if I should try to make the editor look exactly like GD, or trying to make the editor actually its own identity or something. Like I'm I saw minimal. I got used to the complexity editor and also better edit. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Okay. Should I ask Cyan to remake the entire UI, this UI editor thing, to be exactly the same as GD, especially the better edit UI, or I don't know, because I don't want to make it identical to GD. And I also have a second UI concept for this game, but should have templates. Actually, you know what? Since you said that, I'm actually at the into the thing. Customizable level editor UI. Okay, then I'm actually adding this for those who wants to change the editor UI. Actually, that's a good idea. Actually, so basically, the way I'm thinking for this, right? So there will be an option here that you can edit the way the UI looks and stuff like that. So that might be a cool idea. This design normal, just GD complex. Yes. But yeah, I could actually make it a simple design. I let you design your level editor. You can just move this around and stuff like that. That's actually a pretty good idea. Okay, I'll consider adding that. That's actually a good idea. Thanks. Hello, Geek Gospy. Hello. Welcome. Hello. That's actually a good idea. Could you please add a button that lets you move object by custom amount? Move 0.5 of full block. Yeah, sure. I could do that. I can't spell precisely. I can add that, yeah. I know you have to free move weird scaling stuff. Okay, I could do that. Yeah, my words is I want to get down and being considered most part. Nice. I already given up on GD's rating system for me entirely. I have 2 freaking levels that I want to get rated. It's still not getting rated. I'm already just like, nah, I'm done with it. It already has some it already has some sense, but you know what? If I'm not satisfied with GD rating system, I'll make my own rating system. And that's when I made another GD mod. And then they don't like me anymore, so I just make my own game. There you go. Logic. Another thing is that checking my code Sky Wake challenge and code define left comment. You know what's even better for me? I got a freaking YouTuber played my GD mods. Oh. I should probably fix that stupid server. Yeah, I probably should fix that. Me, when I accidentally have a level, I put 200k to select alternate and auto save and exit editor and actually do not have a copy of the level. Oh no. Hey, I have this game has an inbuilt autosave, okay? If you okay, now I should keep thinking about that. I should add that as well. Backup level storage. There you go. 3D dash was abandoned, by the way. Oh, that sucks. You know what? How about someone make a 3D project? StarSky. Okay, whoever makes a 3D version of Project StarSky with functioning controls. I don't know. Tree Sky. Imagine a level called Tree Sky. Oh no. Okay, I'm actually excited to actually set up a beta server where everyone can make their own levels and play publish it. It's gonna be a beta server. It's not gonna be like a permanent server, like a way for you to upload your own levels, just for fun, I guess. I'm thinking about that. But the thing is that I also want to consider mobile players as well. But now I'm thinking about it, I might consider the mobile players later in the day, later on. I do want to make this a Steam or like Steam or PC first. Imagine a system that uses GD share with a GD file so you can convert it to your version of. I mean, technically there is a system right now because you can export your own levels that you select. So if I export it, and I send it and I have a file, I could just send to the game. Let me find it. Who wants to play test this level? There you go. We also have a freaking let me send you. Up there you go. Okay, so I do have a custom level thing. Were you 10 sets ahead? Yeah, I do have it. Look, it's a freaking level data. And you can also import it as well if you want to. Boom. There you go. You get another level. And it actually works when you play it. See? Ta-da! It's a freaking level. It's a freaking thingamajig. It's not even ready. There's if you have if your level has a custom song, it won't work. It doesn't work. I mean, you still need to send us you still have to send the custom song to us. So I might figure out a system to implement that, but that's later in the future. I can also export this level as well. Okay, I'll send another one too. I'll send another one in the chat server. There you go. But yes, we do have a amazing oh wait, that's gonna crash your game. That's gonna crash your game. This one's gonna crash your game. Don't download that one. I'm not done with that. Cyan, oh. Cyan. Interactive try. Imagine though. Don't miss the stream this time. Nice. I mean, it's already midnight for me now. I had to finish up the migration from the old server to the new server. I still had to do that today, and after that, I can just don't do about it. But yes. Imagine. Anyway, I think that's it for the idea I have for today. I might consider adding more later. I'm gonna show you some new features I'm gonna add later on. Shaders, maybe. Oh yeah. What should I want to show you? I don't know what else to show. We're using ending the stream so I can finally eat dinner. Yeah, pretty much. I had to sleep early too. Today was a box day. Yeah, today we made box. No, we made box. We made box, guys. We made box. We made a box. Look, we made a box. We made a box. Look, we made a box. We made a box. We made a box. There you go. We made a box. Cyan, added busy on the server. It's your server, not mine. We made a box. Oh crap! What the hell? Where the hell did I come from? No, don't ruin my level. I'm trying to get a raid in this game. I need to get a rated level in this game. Don't ruin my chance to get a rated level. No. No, don't destroy my thing. No. What the hell? Okay, this hitbox is so ass. I'm gonna move this somewhere else. Time to make a box again. box, box, box. We made a box. We made a box. We made a box. Bro, if I get rated level before, it's gonna be crazy. Imagine I get a rated level in this game. It's crazy. Totally not unfair, okay? I'll give everyone a fair chance to get their levels rated, okay? I ain't gonna be, gatekeeping everyone. Wait a second. Did I break the freaking link system? No, that's fine, honestly. Look at that. I made a freaking pyramid in this game. Here you go, a pyramid. I could also make another box. Wait, actually, I could make a box within a box. I could make a box within a box. Wait. I could make a box within a box. I could make a box within a box. Within a box. Within a box. I could make a box within a box within a box. Sorry, like I said, someone with this is admin. I have to say it here, just in case. Anyway, I'm going back to stay. I just save custom object feature to add your favorite box. Good idea. I'm gonna add that. Custom objects. Cool. I'll add that in the future. Add that in the future. Lol. Imagine not connecting properly. No, nothing. Nothing. Naughty. Anyway, this okay. I have some ideas for this count display. Edit, set, compute. This compute one is gonna be so stupid. And speaking of rated levels, y'all won't be earning creator points from the leaderboard files here. Y'all only get creator badge. Yay. No more blaming, no more getting those stupid top creator thing, cause those are just rig at that point. Those are rig. Okay, those are rig. You know what would be cool idea? Fine, here's a cool idea. Here's a really cute idea. Creator leaderboard will be based on how likable the community likes the level. So that way, when the instead of creator has the most creator points gets to the top of the leaderboard, it should be based on the rating of the quality of the levels. So it's like a rating system for the community. So if you want someone to be at the top of the leaderboard in the creator, you need to have a good rating on your levels. The more rating you have, the higher you get in the position. And it adds up based on how many rated levels you have. How about that? Maybe not. Who knows? If you don't want that, then that's fine. Honestly, I don't care. That's an idea I have in my mind, okay? A idea. Anywho, you gotta start position. Be out. Yes. I mean, cause again, it's not based on how many rated levels you can get. It's based on how many good quality levels you made and something like that. So I could add like a let me check the grade system because I kind of want to. Actually, good idea. Instead of having the most creative points, it has some same low ultimate quality levels ever made. Or hear me out, do a proper level rating level control. Okay, I mean it's gonna be hard when you have so many people making levels and trying to get rate. That's gonna be a difficult thing. But you know what? You're the community manager. You do that. You're the vibrant of this game. You're the vibrant of this game. So it might get its own problem like having to complete the best of the best quality creator, but that's what the leaderboards are meant to be. So man, good, good. That's gonna be the good idea though. Hello Andy. But like it's gonna be a good idea. It's gonna be like it's gonna be the leaderboard's gonna be purely just the best of the levels, not mid quality daily level slope. Dude, don't compare me to Vibrant. I'm not comparing you to Vibrant in terms like him as a person. I mean like I'm comparing him as a community manager when he was like, an actual good person, not whatever he is right now. I'm not comparing you as the person of Vibrant. I'm comparing you as Vibrant as the role itself. Like his role in the community. What a currency to beating for movie currency beating for beating levels. I think science says silver coins or something. I honestly don't know. That's science. About yeah, that's the one. I thought he mean like golden coins. I think. What do you mean you think? It's your game. What do you mean I think? Oh, I don't. I don't know my own currency of this game. Wait, that's free collectibles. Oh, you made it up. Okay, so there will be a high so there will be a blueprint bunch. Um mhm. I'm gonna strike that later on. So there'll be bolts for basically like beating levels, I guess. There'll be an admin. Yeah. You didn't add it in. No way. Oh wait, it is here. There is bolt coins and jolt. Jolt collectors true levels with a maximum amount of 5 per level. Type 2 difficulty. 5 per levels. This is basically user made points. So the jolt is just it's just level coins. Okay, you're making this more confusing than I expected. Coins will be collected fixed amounts of thing. Okay, this coins, the coins one are those are basically silver coins of GD. What do you mean silver coins of GD? There's no silver coins in GD. What do you mean? Okay, bosses are like the stars in GD. Coins will be like both the main and the user coins because I like them combined. Those are basically the orbs in GD. So basically, if you want to unlock cosmetics, you have to collect jolts. You have to collect jolts. You're gonna collect jolts. You're gonna collect jolts to unlock some cosmetics. Jolts. Badges. Yes, you can add some badges. The roller is the one that needs to more work on. 7 main levels. There will be 9 main songs. Cyan has to make that. Yeah, you get that from that. Sound effects. If Cyan isn't lazy to do it. Good build level editor keeps you engaged. Yeah, I'm working on that. Okay, I'm trying to make it good. Bolts and jolts, indeed. And then there's enemies. Oh yeah, there's a lot of enemies. That Giant isn't the one working on it. Functions. There is already a move. There's already a rotate, fade, tint, spawn, random, toggle, stop, song, sound effects, camera, salmon. What else? There is block, spike, saw, jump pad. Sorry, work on that, please. Checkpoints already implemented that. When you go to its functionable menu, you can select to single reusable. Yeah, I kind of what did I call that again? Yeah, there's multiple use. I actually added that too. I thought I didn't add that. There is power ups. There's double jump. The third one's being scrapped actually. Yeah. I forgot I made a jump pack already. Bruh. You serious? Nah, that's crazy. Plan for version 1.1. Price increase. Bro, it's greedy as hell. He's greedy. New game mode, roller. And yeah, maybe that could work. That'll be fun to play around. If you actually make it work. And this is the implementation I made. Part of the description. Yeah. You don't need to worry about that. Modding, that is debatable because we haven't figured out. I don't know what kind of modding system we could implement on this game. Roller isn't gonna be in 1.0. Sadly, no. Roller is not gonna be in 1.1. Do the downloaders in the game in the guest book work? Kinda. I don't know. Kinda. It's not polished enough. It's not polished at all. It was. I barely used that game while playtesting because it was like. It's not enough levels for me to test out the game mode. Maybe if there is enough levels for it, then sure. All right, now it's just basically the hopper. Well, actually, it's called a robot, but I don't know what I can call it, hopper or robot. He decides. But basically, I don't know what you call it, a hopper though. Robot and roller, not roller, just jetpack and robot. A flying and a walking guy. For now. You know, it would be cool if I make a GD reference. Imagine making a GD reference. Imagine making a GD reference. No way. I made a GD reference. Number 5. It's gonna be black. -2. I'm thinking of Yonking Flappy Bird's game mode from GD. No, he's gonna recreate the Nah, he's recreating the I forgot what it's called. The UFO. Bro is recreating the UFO. That's crazy. Crazy work. You know the game's so good. Even I can actually make a freaking I can actually make a GD reference. Look, I made a GD reference. No way. Look, guys. Look, I made a GD reference. Look, I made a GD reference. Look. If GD stole the bird, I might still. What the hell? Oh my god! Nah, that's crazy bug. What happened to that? What is this bug? No, what is this bug? GD and GD? No, this is not. This is not GD. But oh my god, what the hell? Wait, I broke the game. Please help. Wait, what is that bug? I broke the game. Please fix. Oh, okay, I'll fix it. Look, it's fixed. Look, it's fixed. I fixed it. It's fixed now. Look, it's fixed. I did not know that was. I was like, me too. But look, it's fixed now, so it doesn't really matter. I thought it was digital. It is fixed. Look, it's fixed. It's fixed. Don't worry. Anyway, you can have a GD reference. I'll definitely add a I'll for sure add a custom object thing, so you can add your own custom object. This is how it does. Nah, that's crazy. What? That's stupid. I forgot to fix that dog. I forgot to fix. I forgot to fix that thing. Oh my god, nah, that's crazy. Do the downloaders of the game? I guess that's just a win. I guess it does. Wait, what do you mean, like the in my website or something? Or you mean? What do you mean, like the guest book? I won't tell anyone. No way, really? No way, really? Wait, did I break the checkpoint system? Wait, I kind of did break it. That's not the right way to do it. Wait, that's the. Wait, am I stuck? Bruh. Wait, this is a bug. Wait, is there a way to see who downloaded the game at HIO? Not that I know particularly. No. Why is that appearing from? Where is that run the block appearing from? I'm gonna have to fix that. Well, I downloaded. Yes, we gotta download there. Let's go. Get to download the game. Yay, found more bugs. I'm having fun. Oh, wait a second. Okay. I want to test something out. Did the game get corrupted or something? So many bugs. Wait, just start putting the link to the description every previous live stream. I mean, we could. We could do that. We'll probably have to make a playlist for it though. It's free multiplayer every time you start. Wow, I'm finding more bugs than I expected. Wow, I'm finding more bugs than expected. Not as many bugs as 2.2 release, unfortunately. Oh, that's expected because this is barely anything. Why? I'm confused. I'm confused what this bug coming from. Oh well, I'm not about to fix that. I'll fix it later, okay? I have things to do. Yeah. Anyway, I think Cyan needs to sleep, so I'm gonna go sleep as well. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to add a lot of bug fixing. What is it? Checkpoint randomly speeds up player refactoring. Music doesn't play. Checkpoint dying. Oh, come on, I don't want to sleep. Well, too bad. You need to sleep. And I'm sleepy too, because I had lots of things to do. Anyway, that's the bugs I'm gonna fix. 225 for me too. Really? Oh my god. No, really? It looks like it is also 12:26 a.m. for me. No, that's crazy. We have to freaking time zone. That's crazy. And I'm gonna sleep now because it's late for me. Anyway, I'm going to live stream again on either tomorrow if I feel motivated or Friday. Oh, fine. Anyway, I think we might need to make a sprite tomorrow, especially the game mode. I want to add it here, okay? Game mode switcher sprite canon sprite. Alright, good night. Are you guys about the canon? That's up to Cyan if he wants to add that. That'll be fun to play around. Anyway, I'm going to sleep now. Good night. See you next stream. I'll stream again on Friday. Streaming again on Friday with some more features to show, okay? Instead of freaking making box, okay? Alright, good night. I'm going to sleep. I already added that to yes. Oh well. It's there now, so it kind of is a good idea. Yeah, sure. Bye bye.